On number 6, we're trying to find the perimeter and the area. And we only have two missing sides. And we know that this one's going to be 13 because this was 13. And we know this one's going to be 6 because this side was 6. So for our perimeter, it's going to be 21 plus 13 plus 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 6 plus 10 plus 13. So let's add those up. And we get 80. So this will be 80 inches. Next we want to find the area. And like on the previous questions, this is not a rectangle, but I can break it up into a couple different rectangles and then add those up. So I have the left rectangle, which I know is 13 by 10, which will give me 130 square inches. And then I have my middle, which is actually going to be 7 by 7, because I know that from here to here is 13. And if I take off 6, then that leaves me with 7. So this is actually 7 by 7, which gives me 49 square inches. And then lastly, the right, which is 4 by 13, which gives me 52 square inches. So if I add up 130 plus 49 plus 52, then I get 231 square inches for my final answer.